My name is Akenawan Abashoremekun. I started drawing at the very tender age of 5. The very first day at College of Tech, one of my lecturers said, "You are drawing like a sculptor." I joined Society of Nigerian Artists purposely to interact with other people, to know what they are doing in order for me to gain more knowledge. Some of my jobs, when I was 50, I made this sculpture piece. And eventually, I want to exhibit this artwork. I titled it Agony of the Dark Ages. So eventually, we'll see it together at the venue of the October this year, 2025. God bless you.